Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change noise reduction settings on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our home button on the pilot. It's located right here. And then navigate this menu by pressing on the arrow keys on our pilot. It should be in the middle right here. So now let's move to the settings and press the right key. Now go for the system and press OK. From here go to the picture by pressing the left arrow and then scroll down. Find advanced settings and press OK. From here go for the noise reduction and change it by pressing the right key or left key. So you can change it from high, off, low or to medium. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.